Check it out, guys. Got a new product. Bam! We got the AIPAS bike. M2 Pro. It's not a Pro. M2 Pro.
M2.
Yes. And this thing, guys, this thing looks like a monster, the first look. Now, we've been putting it together, so obviously they don't come like this. I just didn't want to bore you guys for the 6 hours that Nick's been putting this bike together. It doesn't take that long.
Mechanically special, but like
it doesn't take that long, yeah. But it just comes with pretty much in a massive box. No front tire, no handlebar, seat. There's about 17,000 zip ties on them that you'll cut. That's going to be the hardest part. Cut all the zip ties and put it together. So now that we almost have this thing together, I want to give you guys a first look. First thing I noticed was suspension. I really like the front shocks up front, and I like the rear shocks. Check this thing out. So there is, I don't know the brand, I can't see, but there is some sort of shock back here. And when you take it and push it, bam, bam, look at that baby. Well, there you go, there you go. So Nick's pushing on it. This thing comes with, this thing came loaded. So this thing comes with a, whatever you want rack. You can put a cooler, or whatever you feel like putting back here, but it comes with a cool, nice, sturdy rack. It's got the screen. You probably stick it, right there. We haven't really finished yet, so I'll show you guys once it's completely done. But we got a headlight. It is a 7-speed. This thing also came, this is pretty cool, came with a phone holder, which is awesome because you got to buy these separate. And it also came with a bike lock, which, I mean, this is great. You don't have to buy this either. So this bike pretty much comes ready to go. Yeah, ready to go. So we are going to put this thing really to the test this weekend. And you will see in this video, we're actually going to take the RVs, me, Nick, a couple another buddy, and we're taking bikes. And well, this thing just came just in time to really put this in the test. Dirt, the asphalt, the concrete, some rock. There was that trail, right, to the lake. Yeah, there's like a little, yeah, there's a trail going to the lake. So we're going to really put this thing to the test, see how it does, see how smooth it is. Nick has driven all of the electric bikes. So we'll stick him on this thing and see what he thinks.
Speed unlock thing that we saw?
Oh, yeah, there is a mod on this thing. I'll show you guys.
Got a mod for it too?
Yeah, so there's a way you can unlock this thing. I'll show you guys. We'll see. I don't have a lot of info yet, but we'll see. So once it's done, what we're going to do is pull it outside. And the first part is we're going to show you how bright the light is. I don't know because it's not done yet, but we'll find out here shortly. All right. Oh, look at him burning out. Oh, so let me, geez, he's taking, we're trying to show the light over here. This guy's going to crash on this thing. All right, so I'll show you guys. Let's see how bright this light is. Aim it, face it that way, or it's dark. So it's actually a very, look at that. No, it goes straight. Straighten it out. That's actually a very bright light. So I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Yeah, but this is way better than what these e-bikes used to have with a light. Look at that.
Too shabby. Look at that ram. Wow. Look at that ram.
Oh, and it's got a horn. We did do the unlock, guys. It is in the manual, the unlock. So what we did, it was hold these two, the top and the bottom buttons right here, like this. And then you get this. Oh, wait, it's going. There we go. You get this right here. Then you hold the top button, the plus, go to number 8. Then hit the left button. And then you adjust this part right here. So it's set to 20. Mine, the only option is 20 or 62. Put it to the 62. Hold it. And the fastest he got it was, let's see. Oh, he said, what did you say the maximum was? 36?
36 and a half.
36 and a half.
I would say let me record, but I'll probably fall.
Yeah.
All right.
So, this thing's going to get a true test this weekend, guys.
It's pretty fast.
How does it feel?
Torque to it. I like it.
Got a little torque?
Got some good suspension.
Oh, yeah. How's the suspension on it? All right. Look at that light. That light is very impressive. Oh, going through the... Here, come through these rocks. Let's do a little rock test. Come through these right here. What does it feel like?
Whoa, you put the box there, dude.
Well, I was moving the box out of the way. So this is the box, guys, that it comes in. I was just going to show you guys. There you go. It's a pretty good sized box, but again, like I said, it has the tire and the seats in it. So This thing is really, really putting it to the test. And I'm curious to see. I really want to see. A lot of these bikes put suspension, but they don't really work good. But he says it's very smooth. Huh? Oh, whoa. How are the brakes? How's the braking on it? The brakes aren't new, so you do have to seat the pad with the rotor too.
Upgrade to like some Brembo 6-piston.
See how it does.
Actually, it's smooth.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh, okay. And these rocks are brutal. Like, it's even hard to walk on these things because these things are so big. You walk on them and you like twist your ankle. So.
Load her up.
All right. Well, here it is, boys. This is the true test will be this weekend. So stay tuned. Just like that.
Switch on the side, just so you guys can see that too.
Oh yeah.
Your off button right here. You hold that, shuts the whole thing off.
The middle.
Yep, and then you can kill the whole battery bulb right there.
All right.
Charging ports right there too.
And I'm going to show you guys obviously better in the daylight. It's like 1 in the morning right now. So, well, stay tuned. And about this fast, bam, we will be at our destination. Yep. Okay, guys, we've arrived here. Remember I said just a snap of a finger? In the YouTube world, that's how fast you guys get to see it. So, our guest that's testing the bike is, where are you going? Come back this way. So she'll be testing the bike for us this weekend, all weekend, and she'll give you your honest review. Yeah, you guys saw Nick at midnight going through the rocks at my house, flying with the suspension. He said the suspension is great. So, Cass, we need to focus on suspension, drivability, how the battery lasts. It's currently full, speed, comfort, all of that. Okay?
Okay.
So, you're going to be the test dummy, basically.
Okay.
Okay?
Comfort
So,
would be better if my seat could lower.
Pedaling sucks.
well, the seat, I believe, is all the way down.
Really?
I think,
Okay,
yeah.
so that already knocks off a star.
The seat's all the way down. I feel like, guys, this bike is made for like
A man.
5'7" to like 6'5" or something. It's a big bike. So, she's a little short, so she doesn't like the seat. But we'll not worry about that and focus.
Seat
Okay.
versus the height.
Okay, so she likes the seat. It's comfy. It's a little high because she's a little short. But we'll let her see how brakes and all that stuff is. So, let's go. All right, guys. So, sorry for the wind noise if you can hear it. But looks like there she is. How's the suspension? This is like, how does it feel? Does it feel rough? Feel smooth? Okay. Can you feel the suspension, like the bike moving, basically up and down, the front moving? All right. So we're gonna hit some hills, some bumps, and we'll see. We'll see. Good so far. Okay, she said good so far. So we'll see. I'm gonna jump up here. What are we thinking? Smooth? Smooth? Okay, so.
Cadillac.
Oh, okay.
Cadillac with bike.
All right, so she likes how smooth it is. Which, their suspension, like I explained to you guys, that suspension looks, I haven't seen that. That's impressive right there. So we'll see overall what she thinks. Well, this part here has a lot of, like these little whoops right here. And we'll see.
One a lot better than 3.
Oh, you like level 1?
I like level 1. It's like calmer and easier to ride.
Okay, so it looks like, yeah, she likes level 1. Again, obviously, the higher up you go, the more takeoff, more power, everything you're going to get. So when you start pedaling, what she said it was when she started pedaling, it was taking off too fast. But she had it on 3, and you guys remember in the video, well, we unlocked it. So it's got a little more power. So if you want to cruise through trails like this and stuff, you can, turn it down, obviously. And if you're, you want to really open it up, then she can just go up on it and get more speed while pedaling. Or like me, well, I don't ever pedal. I just hit the throttle and that's it. So just depends on, your type of riding. If you want to pedal, pedal. If you don't want to pedal, well, then don't pedal. All right, boys, we've got a new rider here, ladies and gentlemen. We've got Nick here the next day, following day. Oh, there you go. So this does have a horn, if you guys heard that. What gear you got in right now?
Now I want to give gas, and I'm like, nothing, bro.
No, put it into 1 now. So you're in first gear, right? Yeah, there you go. Now the pedal assist is kicking in. All these bikes, they're all a little different, so it's a learning curve. So right now you got pedal assist on. Oh, hey, yeah, we got some weight on this bike. Yeah, we'll go hit that jump, and then Do me a favor. Let bounce on the seat a little bit. How does it feel? How does it, okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Not too shabby, guys.
All right. Now, yeah, what I do want you to do is put it in the highest speed and just let it rip with no pedal assist. Oh no, we did that already. It was 36 miles an hour.
That was down pedal, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do a straight shot over here.
I like that it has gears too.
Yeah, the gears are nice. A lot of bikes don't have.
If you're lazy ass, you want to pedal, you can still pedal, you know?
Yeah, a lot of bikes don't have gears. Like mine has no gears. It's just literally one speed.
So here we go. Turn the speed up and it's getting up to full up. I'm just keep us going, bro.
Well, that's more of a cruiser. Well, just go ahead. You go over there. Start over there, and you just tell me your.
You want me to pedal or just hold
Don't pedal. Don't pedal. Go on the highest setting. Go over there and come. I'm gonna wait right here. So go. Yeah. Go to. Okay. Go to speed 5. All right, here he comes. So I told him put it in 5, and I want you just to no pedal, nothing. Just book and see the speed. So this is 5. 27 mile an hour. It's no pedaling, and this is on flat ground. You can see here. So there is no hills or anything. This is literally perfectly flat right here. What was the highest?
I hit 30.
You hit 30?
Yeah, 29 and a half.
29 and a half. That's not bad. So 29 and a half. Yeah, 29 and a half. No pedaling. This is literally perfectly flat right here. So now let's see what he does pedaling. All right, so let him wait for this lady. Okay, he's not waiting. He's just going to go flying by here at Mach 10. All right. Well, I expected him to wait. Honestly, it looks like he's going the same speed, but I'm not sure. We'll see what he says.
That's way fast.
It looked like you were going the same speed a little bit, no?
32.
32?
32.
Okay.
That was a lot of work.
A lot of work. So from 29 and a half to 32, pedaling flat ground. Well, there you have it, guys. It's been an exciting weekend. Let me know what you guys think on that bike. That thing, these bikes are getting interesting. They're coming up with a lot of technology. They're coming up with a lot of new designs, how the suspension is. They're getting very popular. So there are so many brands and makes and models of bikes out there. That one, like when Nick was using, Nick really liked it. He liked the size. So you got to figure out your size, what size you like. It's going to be different, obviously, for every person. But like Nick, being a little taller, he liked that bike. He liked the size. He liked the way it sits. So it's up to you guys, you know. Let me know what you guys think. But comment down below. I'm curious to know your thoughts. That's all I got for you. Like the video, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.